Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of a 2-pound bag of jelly beans. This is the original Gourmet jelly bean. Now this includes 49 different flavors, which is pretty amazing. They're about 4 calories each bean, and they're basically vegetarian. They're free of gluten, there's no dairy, there's no fat, and there's no peanuts in them, in case you're worried about allergies. So this is the package it came in, and on the back it has a little cool diagram showing you all the different flavors and the colors that are in here, and the ingredients and the calories, and information about taking a factory tour, and a product guarantee about the quality of the product. So this is showing 110 calories, and it's about 30 of those little jelly beans. I'm sorry, about 27 pieces of the jelly beans, 110 calories. 0 fat, only 10 milligrams of sodium, 28 grams of carbohydrates. So that's not too bad if you look at it. I'm diabetic, so that's actually not a bad set of carbs on there. So let's open this up, take a look at them. Now I have another bag, so I already have tasted these, so I know what they taste like. Let's just take a look at them over here in the light. Boy, what's amazing is when you take these out of the bag, open the bag up, you just get an incredible blast of flavor and smell. Not flavor, but smell. And it's just amazing. Look at the beautiful colors in there, the greens, the reds. I forgot to mention that these flavors are all natural, made with fruit juices and purees. If you look at the ingredients, very impressive ingredients in here. There's no high fructose corn syrup. So I just love these. You just don't know what you're going to get until you look at that chart and then try them. So this is a great value too. This retails for $18 in the store, and on Amazon it's a really great price, so you can't go wrong. So as you can tell, I really like this product, and I think you will also. So I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video content I upload. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching. Now it's time for me to eat some more of them. Absolutely delicious.